Okay, so now we're going to do question 2. Again, we're going to start all of these problems exactly the same. Question 2, I'm going to go label my 3 sides. So here's my right angle now. So my hypotenuse is going to be over here this time. I'm going to go find my shortest side. My shortest side is over here. For the sake of room, I'm just going to write S for short. And then my long side is over here. All right. And then same thing that we did before, we're going to go find the piece of information that we were given. We were told that my short side is equal to 6. That's what I was told. So now you're going to go back to your rules, my rules up here, and replace the word short for the rule for short side. So in a 30, 60, 90 triangle, the short leg is equal to X. So I'm going to replace the word short with the X because that's the rule. And so I know that X is equal to 6. All of my work has been done for me. I need to solve for X in order to find my missing sides. But remember, don't circle X equals 6 and move on to the next problem. You need to go tell me what your long side and your hypotenuse is. The instructions say find the missing sides. So now that I have X though, I can go read the rule for my long side. So in a 30, 60, 90 triangle, the long leg is whatever X is times the square root of 3. Well, I know what my X is. My X is equal to 6. So it's equal to 6 times the square root of 3. So that's what my long side is equal to. And then I need to find my hypotenuse, which I'm going to follow the same idea. I'm going to go find the rule for my hypotenuse. So in a 30, 60, 90, the hypotenuse is 2 times X. So I'm going to take 2 times X. And I know what my X is. My X is 6. So my hypotenuse is 2 times 6, which is 12. So my hypotenuse is equal to 12. So you need to find me both of the missing sides. I need to see all of this work. Okay. Alrighty. Now another scenario is when I give you the long side. So let's do this problem. Let's label your 3 sides. Here's my hypotenuse. My short side is over here. Again, I'm just going to call it short. And then this is my long side. All right. Then go find the piece of information that you were given. I was told that my long side is equal to 4 times the square root of 3. Okay. Then go replace the word long with the rule for the long side. The long side is equal to X times the square root of 3. The rule says that your long side is equal to X times the square root of 3. So you're replacing the word long with the rule for long and set that equal to what you have. And just like yesterday, I told you that once you have 2 square roots on both sides of the equal sign that are identical, so the square root of 3 and the square root of 3, you can cancel those out. If you have identical square roots on both sides of the equal sign, they can cancel each other out, and you just write what you're left with. You're left with X equals 4. Now go find your other sides. I'm going to find my short side. I go read the rule. In a 30, 60, 90, the short leg is equal to X. So I know that my short side is equal to 4 because that's what I got for X. So that's that answer. And then my hypotenuse is going to be equal to, I go set it equal to its rule. The hypotenuse is equal to 2X, but I know what X is equal to now. I know that my X is equal to 4, so my hypotenuse must be equal to 8. Alrighty. So those are different scenarios based on which side I give you. If at any point you have a question, just pause it and let me know. I am going to start this problem and it's going to cut off onto the next video. So please make sure you go right to the next video. But this problem is a little different, but it starts off the same. I will point out when it gets different, but it starts off the same. So let's label all 3 of my sides. Oh, I just got a notification that this video is going to end. So watch the next video for this problem.